Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video guys, I'm going to show you how to fix unable to remove. There is an active subscription on this account that require at least one payment on file. If you're trying to remove your Visa card, MasterCard, debit or credit card from your iPhone app store and you're getting this error unable to remove, there is an active subscription. I'm going to show you how you can fix this problem. So let's get start the video. First of all, open your app store. Then click on user icon, click on your Apple ID username, click on manage payment. So if you are removing it from the manage payment, don't click on manage payment. If you're getting that error, simply click on country or region and click on change country or region. Change your country or region to another country one time, then you can go back to your country again. So in my case, I'm selecting this country, then click on agree. So now simply select none. Now enter your street address or anything. You can enter the fake, it doesn't really matter. Then you can enter your phone number, then simply click on next. So once it's done, now if you go to your manage payment, you won't see the credit card or your debit card anymore in the manage payment. Your payment method will automatically will be removed by changing the region, as you can see. So this is how you can remove your payment method if you're getting that error. So hope this video helps you. If it does, then leave a like and comment. Thanks for watching.